All right, let's talk about the course now, right? So I think I've told you this course prepares you for these 5 job titles, some of the name of the companies, common companies that are hiring for these job titles. These are very, we have shown some 8, 9, 10 companies, but there are many more that are, it's in huge in demand and supply is not there, right? Now, before I talk about this particular slide, right, I want to talk about the course details, right? Now, there are a few things that I want to tell you. Maybe you can have a look into this particular slide, right? While you're having a look, just listen to me, right? And then we can come back to this slide again. So as a course, Finance Analyst Edge course, right? One, you're getting prepared for 5 job titles, right? Number 2, there is practice from day 1. I told you, right? Every week there is practice and all those things, right? Number 3, I am individually and now entire team is a firm believer that you need to interact with industry people. If the course is made for you to develop your career, which will start with a job, you need to interact with people who are working or who have worked in these job titles before, or they are doing something like that, because then only you get the relevant information. Then only it's like आप उस इंसान से सुन रहे हो जो इसमें इस job title में काम कर रहा है. So you will get relevant information from the horse's mouth, right? Then only you will prepare better. So we have three level of mentoring, right? What do you mean by 3 level of mentoring? So you are getting 3 mentors. Every student will get 3 mentors in the course during the duration of the course. And the mentors will come at every stage. It's a very scientifically devised model where there is a mentor between 2 and 4 years of experience. Suppose somebody is working in these job titles, which I've told you, 5 job titles, in one of these job titles, have an experience of 2 to 4 years. There is another mentor who will have an experience of 6 to 8 years, and another one who will have an experience of more than 10 years. So what will happen is when you talk to a 2 to 4 years experienced person, you will come to know more about the company, the interview style and everything, right? Interview questions, the attitude while interview and stuff, because it will be very fresh in his mind, in his or her mind. A 6 to 8 years experienced mentor will tell you about how do you develop your career in the company for the first 2-3 years, for example, or in the industry, if he or she has changed to 2 companies in 6 years. And a 10-year plus will talk about the industry per se. You are talking about one skill today, then what is the skill that is coming, or that is something that you need to develop, something like that, right? And interestingly, every skill has been approved by an industry expert before we have launched the course. By the way, you all are part of the 6th batch, right? Excuse me. You all are part of the 6th batch, and the students are so the syllabus is being approved by the industry expert. So that's the benefit that we all are getting. So there will be approximately 200 hours of learning, like you and I are talking. So 200 plus hours of learning. Like I told you, it's a live online class, right? More than 50 plus modules. It's basically between 4.5 to 5.5 months, right? That you will be part of the program. But the access to the videos and recording, so every class recording is given to you. So you have the access for 9 months, because after 5.5 months, you will start working with our corporate relations team for placement, for interviews, resume building, and all those kind of things, right? So at that time also you need the access to revise the concepts and go through everything. So you have the access for 9 months. More than 45 case studies that you will be doing. I think usko bolne ki zarurat nahi hai. I think it's pretty understandable, right? All right. This is the course delivery. I think I have shown a very high level course delivery, which is month 1, month 2, month 3, and month 4. So what typically happens on month 1, then month 2, 3, and 4, right? So whether it is core financing and accounting, finance and accounting, to analytics, you talk about valuation, process and productivity. Communication is common across 4 months, 4 to 4.5 months. It's continuously common because communication cannot be built in one day, right? And there are many ways we work very interestingly. One of the ways we work, just to give you an example, say for example, today, I taught you one concept, right? In 2 days from now, there will be teams that will be made, and one of the team will teach the same concept to the entire classroom. So that the team will be evaluated based on the effort that the team has taken, the presentation style, and your performance is managed every week based on how many questions you ask in the class, what is the assignment marks that you have got, the test score, and these performance management system is shared with the companies. So there are already companies that are approving this syllabus, and every month there are 5 to 10 companies that are becoming our hiring partners, right? Where after the end of the program, your resume, digital resume, and LinkedIn profile, and your GitHub profile, because you will be working on analytics also. So your GitHub profile will be made. Those who don't know GitHub, don't worry. That's a technical term, and it's a place where the kind of work you have done in analytics will be stored. Your LinkedIn profile as well as your digital resume will be sent to the companies, and then they will call you for interview and so on and so forth, right? So you can imagine it's a very exhaustive course, and you need to be very alert. When I say alert, I understand all the 5 fingers are not same. Paanchon ungliyan same nahi hoti hai. Sometimes you will study, sometimes you will not study, but it cannot go on happening for weeks. For example, there is an attendance mandatory of 90%, right? And if you are not able to do the class, you have to inform our operations team. Unless it is emergency, you have to inform that I am not able to attend this class too, because if you are, then it will be marked absent, and you have to do a class number 2 with another batch, which will be told to you. You will be getting the recording anyway, but we want you to do the live class, because just having a recording and doing a live class and then having a recording, there is a different impact altogether. I told you, right? We are teachers, and at least me, I know how to teach. How to teach means how it will take for you to build that kind of mindset, the kind of skills that we are talking. So that is why this is not a regular institute where you come and go. It's not going to happen, right? If you don't perform continuously for 2 weeks, and you have no reasons for that, the only reason is you have not seen the video, you have not revised. So after every class, you will be also told how to study. And fundamentally, for the first month, I believe every day half an hour to 45 minutes study is sufficient. Half an hour to 45 minutes, sufficient. Second month, 1 hour, sufficient. Third and fourth month, I would say 3.5 to 5.5. Then you have to study for 1.5 to 2 hours per day. Obviously, because you are in that zone of finishing the course. There are multiple tests happening, and so on and so forth. That is obvious, right? But every day 45 minutes to begin with for the first month is sufficient. If you don't do that, also you will not be able to clear the test. And if you don't clear the test twice in a month, then you will be given a red signal, and then maybe you will be given some penalty of not being allowing you to allow some of the classes in the weekend. So my point of telling you this is different, right? And we are putting our effort. We are putting we are putting all the effort for you to crack the interview and become day 1 job ready. We want you to also be serious about your career. That's how it is, right? And now if I talk about, so this is the course delivery for the first month. It's a high level thing that you can see. These are the various methodologies that we take. So there are session handouts, there are recordings, presentations. I told you, right? We do a flip class methodology because you have to be very good in presentations. So in sare job titles mein na, hard skills is one part, right? Sriveshi, I told you, right? There are more than 50 plus modules that we will be covering, right? In this particular course. The 12 skills will be more than 50 plus modules, and every module will have some 3 to 4 chapters till that point what is required by the industry, right? I hope that answers the query. So yeah, so these are the various methodologies.